And welcome to another video. Today I'm playing the Monkey SMP with my friend James. So yeah, we're gonna go netherite mining today. It's my grove there for my dog, because sadly my dog died just earlier. So yeah, we're gonna go netherite mining. I'll call him over. So, whilst he comes over, I'll pause the video, come back in a sec. Hello, and I'm back. So, we're gonna go netherite mining. So, got my netherite stuff. I actually found a pickaxe that has mending on. It's the only thing I've got that has mending. So, yeah. Been doing work on the base recently. I've added some door frames. I'm not amazing at building. So, yeah. I'm mostly just... Oh, God. What do you want? Yeah, I'll just use a sword. I hate these baby zombies. They are so annoying. If you're wondering about this code down here, one of my friends, I gave him off rate because I thought I could trust him. He used the command and, well, gave us both loads of levels, so, yeah, that's not amazing. And I can't get rid of him, don't know how. So, he said my name, don't know why. So let's go over to him. That's not good. That's really not good. So I'll get over to him, come back in a second. Hello, and I'm back. So we're going to the nether now, I think. So let's go. This dude not... Oh yeah, did I not mention that I can swim through lava? Yeah, it just doesn't hurt me. Just got OP armor. That's the one handy thing of having netherite armor. You just don't take that much damage in lava. So, to be honest, mining's lots easier now, because I won't die. So, I added these pillars up here, it's pretty cool. And now we're going to the nether, so I'll text him so come on. 1 second. Oh, yeah, that's sad. My friend just texted me. So, let's go to the nether. So, in fact, I think I'm going to go to the... I'm not going to go netherite mining. I think I'm going to go to the nether fortress, try to get some blaze powder, and actually, to be honest, go and get some blaze powder. I've probably just said that. Get some blaze powder to make some... Wait, no, not blaze powder, to kill some wither skeletons, because I want to kill another wither. So, let's go. So I'll tell him that. I'll come back after I have told him. Right, so welcome back. We are heading towards the nether fortress now. I think I should probably keep these in my hand in case I fall. Where's that ghast? I normally hear gas sounds, but I actually don't know where they are. Oh god. Hopefully this goes out. Yes, I survived. Oh, that was scary. That was super scary. Wow. He needs food. I have one bread. He's gonna think I've ripped him off. Dude, that's literally... Oh wait, no, I have loads. You can have that as well. What? Why did he do that? So I don't know why, but he just... I think he might have fallen, but that really looked like he just jumped into lava. So, oh great. They are so annoying sometimes. What was that? Something shooting at me. Oh, it's there. Come get me. Dude, this thing's aim. That thing cannot aim. Oh god, no. I can't hit it. Move, fam. Watch out. Dude, I don't want them to overpower him. I think we got them. All. Maybe. Oh god. What's that? It's up there. Look. There. I got that one. Whew. Hopefully we're okay. Wait. Where's the fortress? The fortress should be here. I don't understand. Why is it not here? I swear we went the right way. Maybe that... I think that's our bridge to it. Yeah, that reaches on. Yeah, this is the way. I sound like I'm off the Mandalorian. This is the way. In case you've not seen the Mandalorian, like this, all the Mandalorians say, like, this is the way. Yes, look, there it is. I'm gonna get my elytra on, just in case. I don't want to die. There's a blaze there. They missed. Where's James? Ah, I've got 3 skeletons on me. Painful. God. That was worrying. Flipping heck. Okay, so more food. No elytra, just that. Where is he? Maybe TP him? Flipping it. That was scary. Wow. What is that? out. I just took out 3 skelly bobs. I took out 3 skelly bobs. He just think it K. He's probably thinking like, what is a skelly bob? It's my chest now. For some reason I just have 3 chests sat in my inventory. I don't know whether I have... Dude, I gave you 13 mutton. Right, well, come here. Dude. Where is he gone? Actually, where is he? What was that? What was that? Fam. I wanted that bigger bit. Wait, no, I can do the sequel. Nah, he gets that one. You get 30 bread. I don't even have my elytra on. Don't exactly need it on at the moment. I'll keep it there, just in case. Because I don't want to risk it. Oh god, wither effect, wither effect. Oh god. Phew. Did I just take 1 heart of damage from that? Dude. Where did that thing go? Watch out, fam. Just coal. This loot's pretty bad. Don't need a trident. Not at the moment, anyway. He actually dropped some decent stuff. Whew. Good job I equipped my elytra. Get this out. That was just pure luck. Can you get any luckier? Dude, that thing gave him wither effect, I think. I don't know where that ghast is. Where was that thing's loot? Look over there. No, wither skull. need backup here. Flipping hell, that's a lot. Don't kill him. No, James got killed. He just got oofed. Oh, he went AFK. I'll have the electric on. No! Oh, he got killed and I got killed as well. That's really annoying. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty bad. I think I'm going to end the video here. Hope you've enjoyed. See you guys next